Okay guys, bukas tayo. Romper, jumpsuit, ni Cherry. Tara, lipin natin. Pure romper shorts yung laman nito. Wala tong halong mahaba. Pure pa-short na. Cherry, pure jumpsuit short. Yan, silipin natin naman. Pag ganun sa gilid, top shop. Jumpsuit. Yup, brand new. Denim. Woo! Oy! Woo! American Eagle. You know. Magic. Oh, parang vintage to ah. Christy Austin. You know. Oh. Woo! You know. Oh. May pabagyo. What? LPA. No pressure area. Oh. You know, parang mall pull out oh. Sarah. You know, mall pull out ba yan? You know. Oh, yan yung likod niyan oh. Diba? Woo! You know. Mall pull out. Woo! Forever 21. Oh, Iris. Jumpsuit. Cherry. Cherry cream ng laman. Yeah. Cherry cream. Woo! Brand new. Woo! Brand new. Ross. Oh, ASTR. Aster. Aster. Oh. Ano ba yung maamoy? Boohoo. Oh. Ay, ito. Ito na. Oh. You know? Jumpsuit. You know? Woo! Old Baby. Oh. Moral fiber. Moral fiber. Little thing. Gang. Okay guys, yun nga pala yung laman ni Cherry latest jumpsuit shorts. Yan. Pure romper, super cool ang laman. Estimate ang laman nito 200 to 220 pieces. Cherry latest jumpsuit. Order na.